Hey guys, so when I was editing, I realized I didn't make an intro or outro. But basically, we're in San Diego for some cliff jumping and bar hopping. Only jumped in like twice because it was freezing and I had my wetsuit. Also, update from the surgery. Had surgery about 3 weeks ago. Had a bunch of scar tissue, inflammation, bunch of extra bone they had took out, some ligament tears. Got another 2 months on bed rest. Just been chilling with my boy Kobe. So hopefully you guys enjoy this short little video and hopefully see you guys soon. I'm alive. I can't feel my legs, but I'm alive. I made it. I can't feel my legs, but I'm alive. I'm feeling cold. I want to go home. Tired.
Are you gonna give us a rundown of what happened this weekend?
Yeah, we came to San Diego. We had a lot of fun.
What's your first job?
We almost had an orgy with some random couple. San Diego people are wild.
Get it.
All right, let's go, man. Let's get
Sandy McSanderson!